Hello again, this is Sean with Backflow Supply out of Salt Lake City, Utah. I wanted to take just a minute and go over an Ames Check Removal Tool that's designed for the 2000 SS, 4000 SS models. It'll also work on the SEs as well. These are actually have been around for a number of years. They're made by a guy out of Oregon. His name is Tom Hempel. And when he first designed them, this is what they look like. So it's just two pegs with a ratchet hole in the center, and that's the number 1 check removal tool, and this is the number 2 check removal tool. Same principle, ratchet in the middle, 2 holes to go over the peg. So for the number 1 check, it would just go into the slots on the outside edges, if you can see that, and it just fits in there. And you'll put your ratchet right here in the center and use that to ratchet it out. And this will help make it easier. Some of these are really in there tight, but it's just a better tool. The number 2 check will just go over these pins, and you'll put your ratchet there and use that to thread it out. Now what I really wanted to show you though is he's upgraded this, and these are beefy now. Look how beefy that is. That's thick. So it's the same principle. Still goes on into the slots, but now it's also making contact into 2 of these slots instead of just 1. And it holds it in there better. And then you'll just put your ratchet there and use that to turn it in and out. And that might help you on some of those that are a little bit tighter. And the number 2 check piece has not changed. It's still the same weight, thickness, all that. He also makes the tool for the 6 to 8 inch. So it's just a little bigger, same design. I don't know if he's brought it out, you know, the thicker one in this 6 to 8 inch yet, but I would imagine that he has. But again, same principle. It'll just go into the grooves on the check, and you'll put your ratchet there and use it to twist it out. And the number 2 check is a little different design. It's more of a triangular shape, and it will connect onto 3 of the pins, and you'll put the ratchet in there and twist it out. So just a product that I wanted to show you that's out there. I still have a few of these older designs that I still need to get rid of before I bring in the newer model, but something you may want to check into. If you have any questions, comment below, or you can email me or call me. I'd be happy to answer your questions. Please click subscribe down below and click on the bell so that you're notified when there's a new video that's coming out. I hope that you find these helpful, and appreciate you taking the time to watch these. It really means a lot to me. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.